doing watching your phone, you dear, or here right in front of you?
I did not need to see him gag right next to me.
Oh, he does it like multiple times.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Mama.
Once you're done with the chicken. Are you recording now?
Yes.
No.
As a matter of fact, I am.
No.
Yep, because I'm going to send this video to Santa.
What?
You know, you think I'm not joking.
Okay, eat your food.
What are you doing?
I'm recording your poor behavior.
What? There you go.
No.
What will do?
Dude, you have 3 more bites. Just do it. Please stop whining.
More?
Once you're done.
Once you're done, you have 3 more bites, Levi.
2 more? 2 more?
3.
2 more?
2 more after this one. Levi, just eat your food. We will see. Okay?
Can you say yes?
No.
Maybe.
I said
Eat.
we'll see. You're on video.
Say yes.
Eat.
Ah, drop it.
He didn't actually drop it, but
It's all good. Go eat.
Mommy. Mommy.
What?
you're gonna use up all that storage.
Four?
Yeah, I got to upload.
Keep going.
Get get photos off of here so I can delete everything.
That's 4.
Do another one.
Like upload, like take the photos and
one.
videos off of the phone.
After
Oh,
that
put
one, you
them
have
in the
one more.
cloud?
That's the last
What do
one.
you mean?
Just
That's
upload
number
them to
4.
the computer down there.
So eat.
Oh.
And then I can
That's
just
one.
delete everything. Because I keep getting a message that says, my phone has not been backed up in 2 months. And I'm out of storage.
Now, I would say this, but like you're probably gonna think I'm like really stupid about this, but when I broke this phone, technically I gotta upgrade because I went.
Well, they're wanting me to like pay more money a month to pay for extra storage. I'm not doing that.
Well, this one's 256 gigabytes, and I've only used 100, or I have 192
Fine.
used. I have 1,800 songs,
5.
600
The last
videos,
one in.
1,600 photos.
No,
And
I think 4 and 5.
Eat one more.
I'd say 50% of my phone or my photos are dealing with work.
No.
Don't?
All right. One more bite of mashed potatoes. A big bite.
Daddy.
One more. He can do one more.
No.
I got an extra piece of meat out of it.
He can do one more.
No.
Is there anything wrong with your phone? Like, okay, because I was gonna say you have this thing right there. You see how it says warranty? That's through Apple, so that's what I did. I have a warranty till, so like let's say, because these phones are junk. I'm not gonna lie. These iPhone XRs are trash.
Can you pick that bottle up, Levi?
But
What are you doing?
I told you you're getting videoed. I wasn't playing around.
Take one more bite of mashed potatoes.
One more bite of mashed potatoes and you're done.
Halfway.
We'll see. Bite. Hurry up.
Has to be a good bite.
A little bite.
I'm telling you.
Okay, put it on there. Let's do it.
Oh my god, dude. Stop whining. Please.
Please.
Okay, I'm done. I can't do that.
What?
That's disgusting. It's not that deep.
Bring some water.
Nothing right there.
Tell me what you don't like about mashed potatoes.